Hi, I'm Annie with ByAnnie.com and Patterns by Annie. Let's take a closer look at our pattern Hang In There, which includes instructions for handy bedside, sofa, or chair caddies. You'll love how easy it is to organize your room and save space when you use these pocket organizers. Just tuck one between the mattress and box spring or sofa cushion and frame, and everything you need will be within reach. The Hang In There pattern gives complete step-by-step instructions for making pocket organizers in 2 sizes. You'll love the checkboxes to help you keep track of where you are in the process, as well as the handy tags for labeling all your pieces. There are dozens of helpful illustrations in the pattern to guide you, and we've also filmed an add-on video to help you with some of the more unique aspects of this project. This helpful video series will help you with these areas: cutting the pieces for your organizers, including some tips for working with mesh and fold-over elastic, attaching the organizer body pieces to soft and stable for body and stability, preparing the tuck strip, and bringing everything together to assemble the organizers. The clear and complete pattern instructions combined with the add-on video make Hang In There a pattern that can be accomplished by all levels of sewists, from adventurous beginners to more advanced makers. Makers will need skills for careful marking and rotary cutting and for sewing accurate seams. Some experience with my patterns and terminology is always helpful. Most of the project is very straightforward, and the videos will walk you step by step through the more challenging aspects. Let's talk a little bit about the supplies you will need to make Hang In There. The pattern recommends that you use 2 fabrics for the organizer: a main fabric, which is used for the body of the organizer and the middle pocket, and a coordinating fabric that is used for the top pocket and tuck strip. Of course, if you prefer to make the entire organizer from one fabric, or if you want to mix things up a bit and use a variety of fabrics, the choice is yours. Make it to fit your decor and style. Using ByAnnie's Soft and Stable for the organizers gives great body and stability and enables you to use any type of fabric. We especially like to use quilting cottons because of the wide range of colors and designs that are available. We used cotton quilting fabric for the models that we've shown, but other fabrics such as home decor fabrics would also work well. In addition to fabric, you will also need some mesh for the bottom pocket on the organizer. ByAnnie's lightweight mesh is available in 14 fun colors and is packaged in a half-yard package, which measures 18 inches by 54 inches. One half-yard package will make the pockets for both the small and the large organizer. You'll also need some fusible interfacing to stabilize the pockets and tuck strip, and a bit of fold-over elastic to bind the bottom mesh pocket. And of course, you will need thread to match your fabrics. We prefer using Superior Thread's So Fine No. 50, a 50-weight polyester thread that comes in 134 colors. It is strong and sturdy, yet light enough that it blends in well. And that's it. No zippers, no hardware, no strapping. Easy peasy. I have really enjoyed the Hang In There organizer that I made for the side of my bed. Next, I'm planning to make one for the living room sofa. It will be so nice to have my phone, charger, iPad, and remote controls right at my fingertips. I know you'll enjoy making your own Hang In There organizers too, and that you will think of lots of uses for them. We can't wait to see the organizers that you make and how you use them, so be sure to share pictures of your finished projects with us. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube using @PatternsByAnnie. If you liked this video, please click on the like button below to give us some feedback. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you're sure to know when we post new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Happy stitching!